So I absolutely love making my own food. But if you're like so many others who would say, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. If you need a quick cheat meal, I would say soups and wraps are the quickest, easiest, safest option. If you're saying, well, I don't know, how do I start? I do have some soups on here, by the way. Subscribe and check out my channel and, look for the soups. But some people will say, oh, I don't know how to make the soup. Where do I go? Should I get chicken broth? No. I do have some soup starters I got from the health food store. We got Thai coconut, all vegan soup. Look at that. Has amazing ingredients in it. Then we have a mild lemon curry. You can eat this for days. I also have amazing coconut wraps. Look at that, all vegan raw coconut wraps. All you have to do is roll your favorite vegetable up in this bad boy. Good eating. Good eating. Also, you can make a nori roll, which is another wrap, right? Roll it up. And if you don't have time or you think you don't have time, then get your sous chef, aka slave. I'm just joking. Aka child. I'm just joking. My daughter made these amazing nori rolls for me. Doesn't that look pretty? It tastes really good too. So I'm going to ask her to tell you guys what's in this nori roll.
Okay, so we have avocado.
Avocado.
We have kimchi.
Kimchi, which is fermented cabbage. Kimchi is fermented cabbage.
We have salt.
Salt.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
Almonds.
Almonds.
And apples.
Apples. The apples really make it pop. So thank you guys for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. All right. Good.